Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and farm the Treasure DAO airdrop. Now Treasure DAO has their own token which would be coming in the future with the ticker Magic, and they have managed to raise the overall funding of around 3.5 million US dollars. Now farming this airdrop is completely free, and I will exactly show you what all steps you will need to complete in order to farm this airdrop. Now before we move on to that, if you want to buy coins and tokens and also deal in futures, you can sign up on Bybit using my referral link, which will give you the highest tier of rewards, which is $30,000. Or alternatively, you can use my referral code as crypto505. And if you want the crypto content in Hindi or Urdu language, you can subscribe to my another channel, which is Altcoin India Hindi. Now here I will start uploading videos in Hindi language once I reach back to Dubai, which would be probably by end of this month. Now in order to farm the Treasure DAO airdrop, all you have to do is you will need to go ahead and request some Ethereum Sephia on your MetaMask wallet. So you can either sign up on Alchemy Pay, or you can use this Sephia Faucet over here, or there are multiple faucets out there. You can simply go to Google and search for them and request for some Sephia ETH on your MetaMask wallet. So if I go ahead and show you my Sephia over here, so as you can see I have like few Sephia on my MetaMask wallet. Now all you have to do is you will need to go ahead first to the treasure portal over here, and once you connect your wallet, it will give you the option to add the Ruby Treasure network to your MetaMask wallet. So as you can see, I have already added this, and the first thing that you will need to do once you add this is simply head to Faucet over here and request for some magic tokens over here. Now once you request that, you will be getting like one magic token on your MetaMask wallet over here, and you can keep requesting this every 24 hours. Now once you do that, your first quest of requesting the Faucet is completed, and you will need to go ahead and complete both of this quest over here. Now to be honest, this quest is a bit complicated, and I will go ahead and exactly show you how you can do it. Now before we do that, all you can do is you can go ahead and mint this NFT over here. So simply click on this mint over here and simply head down over here, and as you can see the fifth option is mint. Simply click on right over here and MetaMask will pop up. Now simply go ahead and confirm this transaction over here, and you have minted this NFT successfully. Now wait for a minute or two until the transaction shows over here, and this quest would be completed on the treasure portal. Now the next thing that you can do is basically you can click on learn more over here for the third quest, and simply you can go ahead and use this link over here. Now once you click on this link, all you have to do is you will need to go to contract over here and click on write as proxy. Now simply click on connect to web3 over here, accept this and connect your MetaMask wallet and switch to Sephia over here, and as you can see my wallet is now connected to this web3 over here. Now simply go down over here, and as you can see this 10th option, it's mint daily allocation. You can click over here, click on write and wait for a transaction to be completed on the MetaMask. Now it's asking for a bit of higher Sephia for some reason, and the transaction is likely to fail. So maybe you can go ahead and request for some additional Sephia on your MetaMask wallet, but I'm not sure why it's showing point close to 1 Sephia ETH. Usually the gas fees is pretty low, and maybe you can go ahead and keep refreshing this until you get a lower Sephia ETH, or maybe you can request for some Sephia ETH on various faucet over here. Now it's not giving me the option to write. Now once you complete that, you would be able to complete this quest over here, both of this quest. Now simply go ahead and refresh this over here once. Now apart from this, what you can do is you can go to bridge over here, and once this quest is completed, this one of write function, then basically you can go to bridge over here and you can bridge from Sephia to treasure ruby. Now usually the balance would be 3 magic tokens over here once you complete all of this quest over here. So simply click on one over here, and as you can see it's giving me the error, not enough magic, because I don't have the magic, because I was not able to complete the third quest over here. But once you complete it, you can go ahead and basically bridge from Sephia to treasure ruby. Now I have completed all the steps on my airdrop farming wallet, and I was able to successfully complete all of these 3 quests over here. Now apart from this, if you want some additional points or additional magic tokens, then you can go to their other quest over here. So let me go ahead and check where it was. So as you can see, you can basically visit their platform over here, and maybe there are these feature games where you can go ahead and try these games over here, and also you can go ahead and claim your treasure tag over here by simply connecting your wallet. So these are some of the steps as to how you can go ahead and farm this treasure DAO airdrop. And please note that none of this is a financial advice, and this might be the potential airdrop. So this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.